If your LG refrigerator is leaving a puddle in the tray, don't call a repairman just yet. The vast majority of dispenser leaks are actually caused by air bubbles trapped inside your water lines. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the exact source of your leak. Safety first, so unplug the fridge and then verify that your water filter is properly locked. From air pockets to a failing inlet valve, these three issues account for almost every dispenser drip. If you just changed your filter, you must purge at least 2 gallons of water to clear the air. A slow drip usually means air or a bad filter, while a constant stream points to the inlet valve. Fixing this yourself can save you hundreds compared to calling out a professional technician. If the purge fails, follow these steps to replace the water inlet valve at the back of the fridge. You only need basic hand tools to complete this repair in under 30 minutes. Remember, the official service manual recommends a thorough flush every time you swap the filter. Now that your dispenser is drip-free, check out our other videos for more easy home appliance fixes.